Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start React Native project. So open terminal, find folder and type React Native in it, and for example project name. In this case it's going to be example. If you are doing this for the first time, it's going to take a while. After that you can see instructions on the screen. So let's see if folder is created. Okay, now we can see that our folder is here. Let's go into that folder. Okay, now we can see folder content with this command. So let's type As you can see, it's launching iPhone X simulator. As you can see, it's working. Sometimes there is a case that you want to launch it on older devices. For example, you can then write and use flag simulator. In this case, this application is going to launch on iPhone 5s. So that's it. Thank you for watching.